Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I am going to share 5 most effective tips with you to improve your English speaking skills. If you are learning English as a second language, speaking fluently can be a challenging task for you. But don't worry, we have got you covered. In this video, we will share with you some practical tips that can help you to improve your English speaking skills. So without further ado, let's get started. I am going to share my tips in reverse way. Tips number 5. Be confident. Speaking in a new language can be challenging, but don't let it hold you back. Try to be confident when speaking, even if you make mistakes. Remember that making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process, and with practice, you will improve over time. Tips number 4. Listen to native speakers. Listening to native speakers can help you to improve your pronunciation, intonation, and overall language skill. Watch videos or listen to podcasts in the language you are learning to get feel for how the language sounds in the real life situation. Tips number 3. Expand your vocabulary. The more words you know, the better you will be able to express yourself. Make it a habit to learn new words every single day and use them in sentences. You can use online dictionaries like Cambridge Dictionary. Tips number 2. Work on your pronunciation. Good pronunciation is essential for effective communication. Pay attention to your pronunciation of individual sounds, stress, and intonation. You can use online resources and tools like YouTube tutorials or language learning application. And finally, tips number 1. Practice regularly. One of the best ways to improve your speaking skills is to practice regularly. Try to speak in front of people, whether it's a group or friends or family members, or even by recording yourself speaking and listening it later. You may use mirror like this. If you get shy, so you may use your mirror and practice. This is the 5 most effective tips for you, and thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to follow our page, and once again, we are providing several courses for beginners. So if you are interested, just knock at our Facebook page and enroll our courses. Thank you so much. Have a good day.